Hi, and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly install your new curtains. Installations can vary slightly depending on your order, so be sure to follow the instruction sheet carefully, and if you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with our friendly support staff. Firstly, position two mounting brackets approximately 150mm from each end of the track. Fasten these brackets to the wall, ensuring the brackets are level. Then, position and fasten any remaining brackets evenly. If your track is over a certain length, then they'll need to be joined together. Slide the joiner piece halfway through one length of the track and then slide the second length of track over the exposed half of the joiner. Then use the supplied hex key to tighten the screws. Next, you'll need to attach the track to the brackets. To do this, clip the track into the brackets on the wall by slotting the back of the track between the metal and the plastic clip. Clip the bracket caps over the brackets. And now you'll need to hang your curtain. For wave pleat curtains, weave the clips in and around each hook to ensure the wave hangs correctly. Lastly, connect the hand wand onto the track by threading it through the dedicated loop. If you ordered a cord-drawn curtain, please abide by the child safety regulations indicated on the instruction sheet provided. And that's it! Beautiful curtains installed in no time at all. It really is that easy at the Curtain and Blind Company.